Good morning, friends. In this lecture, I am going to discuss Standard Form 1 students. What students? Standard Form 1. What is Standard Form 1 students? In previous class, we discussed f of p comma q that is equal to 0 students. That is Standard Form. Let us see the concept, students. Standard Form 1. Equation of the form f of p comma q that is equal to 0. What students? F of p comma q that is equal to 0. Equation containing p and q only. Equation containing p and q only, students. Right. I want to find solution of such type of equation, students. See, always the solution is of the form. What, students? For such type of equation, always the solution is of the form z is equal to ax plus by plus c. What, students? Z is equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay, this is the standard solution, students. Now, say, students, p is equal to dou z by dou x. That means p is equal to a, q is equal to b, students. Okay, you write p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Now you write f of a comma b is equal to 0, students. That means you substitute ab in given equation, students, and you find b in terms of a, students. Okay, students, you find b in terms of a and you substitute here, students, like this. Z is equal to ax plus phi of a y plus c. This is complete solution. What, students? This is complete solution. Once again, students, the procedure. What is complete solution form, students? Z is equal to ax plus by plus c is plus c. Okay, now you write p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Substitute in given equation, students. Substitute in given equation, and then you write b in terms of a. Okay, phi of a, like phi of a. Okay, then you substitute in solution, students, here. Then you got the required complete solution. Or, students, complete solution. Let us see the problem, students. Write down, students. Solve square root of p plus square root of q that is equal to 1. Or, students, square root of p plus square root of q that is equal to 1. Solution. What is solution, students? Z is equal to ax plus by plus c. So solution z is equal to ax plus by plus c. Say this is 1, students. This is 1. Okay, what is next step, students? You write p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Let p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Substitute in given equation. So we get here, students, square root of a plus square root of b, students, b, that is equal to 1. That implies what I am telling here, students, b is equal to phi of a. So you write here square root of b that is equal to 1 minus square root of a. Now we need only b, students, so squaring on both sides. So we get here b that is equal to 1 minus square root of a whole square. Okay, students, now you substitute this b value in 1. We get z is equal to ax plus, what is b value, students? 1 minus square root of a whole square into y plus c. This is the complete solution, students. Complete solution. Once again, students, I already told you what is standard solution form, students. Z is equal to x plus by plus c. Okay, write p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Okay, substitute here, in place of p a, in place of q b. Now you write b in terms of a, students. So By rearranging terms here, b is equal to 1 minus square root of a whole square. You substitute this in the solution, students, here. Then you get the required complete solution. Okay, see the second problem, students. This problem also important. Students. Again, what is solution form, students? What is solution form? Z is equal to ax plus by plus c. So this is one, students. Again, p is equal to a, q is equal to b. Now substitute in given equation. So we get here, students, come on, tell me. A, b, that is equal to a plus b. Now you transpose b to the left hand side, students, and taking common b, we get here ab plus b, that is equal to a. Taking common b, students, we get here a plus 1, that is equal to a. I want to find only b value, students. So b is equal to, cross multiply a plus 1, we get here a by a plus 1. Substitute in 1, we get, so z is equal to ax plus, what is b value, students? A by a plus 1 into y plus c, which is required solution. Or, students, which is required solution. Okay, students, please subscribe this channel, like this video, students, share as many as possible. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.